Hi everybody. This is an electric cordless ratchet that I picked up on Amazon for about $55. So let's take a look at the outside of the box real quick. Here's the Amazon part number. And let's open it up and see what it looks like. Get a better look at the Amazon label. VTEK. So, all right, well, there's what the kit looks like. And I heard something rolling around. Okay, so these little sockets that they give you. Chrome vanadium. Little 6-point sockets. And here's the one battery. 2 amp hours, 16.8 volts. Power share. So I got 2 of the same of these. And a little charger for it. All right. And now let's get to the most important part, the ratchet itself. So the reason I picked this particular model is because it had an extended reach for the ratcheting end. Most of the ones I saw on Amazon were a lot shorter, where the ratchet was actually down here. And then there was a couple that were just slightly longer. This one, I think it said 4 inches. So I thought, you know, in some of the situations where I've used some competitive brand electric ratchets, having that longer reach really was nice for getting into tight areas. So I wanted to get the longer one just to avoid any troubles with the short head. So here's what this looks like, what this label says. Okay, so that's not moving. I think that's the release button. Yep. That doesn't feel great. Actually, it doesn't really move that much. Here's down inside the battery connector. And it looks like in here there's only 2 contacts, but the batteries have 3 contacts and what appears to be a male power connector. So I wonder if these can be charged with like a little power connector here on the side. I mean, it's got this, so no, I guess this goes like that. Yeah. Anyway, let's see what this does. Okay, that's a little weird. A little bit noisy. Yeah, that's not too bad. It's not insanely weak. Yeah, you know what? I think this actually might be pretty good. Especially for homeowner use. Light automotive. I don't think this is bad at all. Of course, my question is, how long are these batteries going to work for? You know, are these going to be? Oh, that one's actually almost fully charged. You know, are these batteries going to last for 6 months? Are they going to last for 2 years? That's how it usually goes with these cheap tools. batteries fail, and then you can't get replacements. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's see what all else is in here. I guess it's just, yeah, just the foam of the case. And let's see what this really small socket is. Oh, 1/4-inch adapter. Let's see what size this goes down to. Probably 10. Yeah, there's a 10. Looks like it goes up to, the big one is 17. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, probably not an 11 in here. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. So, it also comes with a manual, of course. Cordless electric ratchet wrench. Oh, there's actually a model number, V116. Okay. This user manual applied to V116 and a half, or is that -1, -2? Right, warranty, contact us. Here's some QR codes if you want to check that out. So, last thing, let's bring in the power strip and just see what this battery charger does. Turn this guy on. That's a polarized plug. That's cool. All right, we got a green light. And I'm guessing it goes like that. Huh. That's different from what I expected. I didn't really expect a pulsing green light. Well, I guess that means it's charging. Maybe it goes solid when it's done. You know, this kind of looks like one of those camera battery chargers. Very light, cheap, but I guess it works. So, all right, well, there you have it. VTEK cordless electric ratchet from Amazon. I'll be testing it out tonight, but so far, looks pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.